Okay, so we're going to do voiced and voiceless and the TH digraph. Okay, a digraph is two consonants together. Okay. So first, what is a blend? A blend is two consonants together in a word that keep their sounds. A blend is found anywhere in a word, but they have to be able to start a word. Are the consonants MP, mp, a blend? No, because there are no words in English that start with mp. Okay. To introduce this lesson, we're going to do a little activity. Start by putting your fingers on the front part of your neck where your throat is, so right here. With your hand still on your throat, say the sound of the letter M like this. Mm. What do you feel? Do you feel a vibration or buzzing in your throat? That buzzing feeling is the feeling of our vocal cords moving or vibrating. When we feel the buzzing or vibration in our throats, we know that we are using our voices. This is what a voiced sound is like. This is what it's called, as a voice sound. Now do the same thing, only this time say the letter S, like this. Did you feel the same thing? No, you didn't feel that vibration. The vibrating or buzzing feeling is not there when you say the sound of the letter S. When we say a sound that does not make a buzzing in our throat, we are not using our voice. We mostly use air in our mouth instead of using our vocal cords. This is called a voiceless sound. The sound of each letter in the alphabet is either voiced or voiceless. This symbol represents voiced sounds such as mm. The squiggly line in the middle is showing that the vocal cords are moving or vibrating. The next symbol represents a voiceless sound such as the straight line in the middle means that the vocal cords are not moving, so they are not vibrating. Let's practice to more voiced and voiceless sounds. Put your fingers on the front part of your neck and say the sound that the letter B makes. B, B. B, B, B is a voice sound. Can you feel the vibrations? Now put your fingers on the front part of your neck and say the sound of the letter P. P, P. Is it voiced or voiceless? Yes, it's voiceless. We know that P is voiceless, is a voiceless sound because we cannot feel the vibration of our vocal cords when we say the sound. Okay. Let's do the letter G. G, G. That is a voiced sound. T, T, T. That's voiceless. Let's do Z. Z, Z. I feel that vibration. K, 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 K. There's no vibration. N, N. There's a vibration there. For F, there's no voice. Okay, now that you've learned the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds, you are ready to learn the TH digraph. Remember that a blend is 2 or 3 consonants that stand together, as in bull. How many sounds do you hear in the bull blend? 2. Remember that each letter in a blend says its own sound. In this lesson, you will learn about other consonants that stand together. If a letter combination has 2 consonants but only makes one sound, it's called a digraph. Digraphs are part of the 42 sounds of the alphabet. To mark a digraph, you join the 2 consonants with an arc underneath them. In this lesson, you will learn the 2 digraphs, the and th. The digraph TH has 2 sounds. The only difference between these sounds is that one is voiced and the other is voiceless. When TH is voiced, it sounds like the. Listen for the sound in the following word, that. Say the sound with me, the. To show the voiced TH when marking a word, first draw an arc under the digraph. Then draw a zigzag line under the TH to show that it is voiced. When TH is voiceless, it sounds like. Listen for the th in the following word. Thin, thin. Say the sound with me. To show voiceless TH when marking a word, first draw an arc under the digraph, then draw a line under the TH to show that it is voiceless. Digraphs can start a word or they can end the word. Let's look at these two. Where's the digraph in this word right here in the word this? Yes, it's at the beginning. To mark words with digraphs, remember to draw an arc. Oh, these are off again. Under the digraph, so this should be under T and H. As you move from left to right, this word begins with a digraph, so what should you mark first? The digraph, TH. Is it voiced or voiceless? It's voiced, so we put a zigzag line under it, and we mark our vowel. Let's look at this next word, cloth. Cloth. Where's the digraph in the word cloth? Yes, it's at the end. The word ends with a digraph, so what would you mark first? Our CL blend. Again, this is off. This should be under CL, and the X goes under O. And this is not voiced, so we do not have our vocal cords being used. A few words with digraphs end in special vowel combinations. Look at this word. This word is think. What should I mark first? My TH digraph. Ooh, I see it has a line that tells me that it is voiceless. What will I mark next? My vowel. Remember to mark the special vowel combination. You write with an X under the vowel I and join the two consonants at the end with an arc. Okay, let's look at the word think. What comes first? Our TH digraph. Is it voice or voiceless? It's voiceless, so we need to mark it first with our straight line. Okay, next we have another special vowel combination. So we need to mark our vowel and draw our arc. Okay, I'm going to give you some words to practice on your own. Make sure that you are writing your dictation marks. If it is voiced and you can feel the vibration of the TH, remember you draw your squiggly line. If you do not feel it and it is voiceless, you draw your flat line to show that we are not using our vocal cords. Your first word, that, math, this, them, thump. Here's some nonsense words. That. I'm sorry. That. One more. Poth. Here's your sentence. Thad is in the bath. Thad is in the bath.